Hi guys, this is going to be a short one. You know, I normally start off my videos with a joke, but this one's going to be an exception because I've had a terrible morning. I went a quick drive to get some food and I was passing these terrace houses and this little dog ran right out in front of me. I had no chance. I went straight over it and I thought, I've got to see if I can find out whose dog it is. So I go up and I knock on the door of the house there. Little old lady, got to be well into her 80s, white hair, and I says, look, I'm really sorry, love, but I think I've just run your dog over. And she says, my dog? You sure it's my dog? What does it look like? And I went, well, it's sort of... And believe it or not, that's going to be the highlight of this video. So if I was you, I'd just quit now and go on to someone else. Just going to be doing a bit of gluing in the car, trying to get a curtain up and see how that goes. So if you do bother watching the rest of it, that's up to you. I'm past caring, to be honest, with this lockdown and everything. I don't care. Anyway, peace, man. I just wanted to add that's that little dog joke. My daughter loves that one, and she really wants to tell it, but she can't do deadpan to save her life. I mean, she gets two lines into that, and she's just cracked up. She can't help us. She's that bad now. I can't tell it if she's in the room, because as soon as I get about 3 or 4 words into it, she's making me laugh. And she's heard it that many times and she still can't sort of control the face. So, believe it or not, that's quite a hard joke to do. So, yeah, I thought I'd mention that. Maybe one day she'll be able to do that joke without sort of... because she knows what's coming and she can't sort of contain herself. Anyway, now I'm going to put the rest of the rubbish up. This is going to be a rough video, even by my standards. Right, I'm going to put some more glue on this strip here, and I want to put a bit of Velcro up here so this panel can go against there to give me insulation and some privacy. After that, if I'm still in the mood, I'm going to see if I can put a curtain up behind the chairs, and when I'm in here I'll probably flap it over to the front, just give me some privacy and stop the warmth circulating too much. So I'll get on with that and see how it goes. Well, that hasn't gone too well, to be honest. Same problems before. The Velcro sticky's just not good enough. So before I put some permanent glue up, I think I need to get the spacing about right and make sure it's the curtain I want to get fitted in. So I'm going to sort of leave it at that. Part of what I want to do, so I can see out that back window, is... See that? The Velcro hasn't stuck to the curtain, so it's just, yeah. So the idea is I still want to be able to look out that back window when I'm driving and put this card up in there when I'm actually sort of camped in it. So, as always, getting nowhere. So I'm going to put my GoPro mount onto my dash here, so I can do some of that amazing B-road roll cinematics. Yeah, can't imagine that being amazing either. But onwards and upwards. I'm going to take the stairs up now, trying to get a bit of exercise when I can. It's only 4 flights, but I make it look like hard work. Used to be in shape before this lockdown.
You're gonna make a joke out of life if life makes a joke out of you. It's better to laugh than it is